Hello children, today I will teach you chemistry. So chemistry, it is a branch of science in which we study about the chemicals, elements and their uses. So chemistry is divided into three parts. First is physical chemistry. Second is organic chemistry. And third one is inorganic chemistry. तो जैसा कि बच्चों हम जानते हैं कि पूरा संसार केमिस्ट्री के बिना नहीं चल सकता, चाहे वो दवाइयों का क्षेत्र हो, चाहे वो कृषि का क्षेत्र हो या किसी भी फील्ड में केमिस्ट्री की हमें बहुत ज्यादा आवश्यकता पड़ती है। अब हम आज आपको केमिस्ट्री की एलिमेंट्री नॉलेज देंगे, अर्थात आपको ये बताएंगे कि एलिमेंट्स का नाम क्या है और एलिमेंट का सिंबल क्या होता है, कंपाउंड्स क्या होते हैं। तो जरा देखिए, ठीक। I am writing the names of the elements. You have to write the symbol for it. Okay, hydrogen, then helium, then lithium, then boron, then carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and after that you can write fluorine, then sodium, then magnesium, then aluminium, and then silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine. Okay, first write the symbol of these elements if you have the knowledge. So hydrogen is written by H, capital H, helium is written by He, lithium is written by Li, boron is written by B, carbon is written by C, nitrogen is written by N, oxygen is written by O. This is the symbol. Okay. Now coming to fluorine, the symbol is F. Sodium symbol is Na. Clear? Then magnesium symbol is Mg. Aluminium symbol is Al. Silicon symbol is Al. Phosphorus symbol is P. Sulfur symbol is S. Chlorine symbol is Cl. So dear children, these are the symbols for various elements. I am writing more, you have to write them. Should I have it? Okay. Write it. Hydrogen H, helium He, lithium Li, boron B, carbon C, nitrogen N, oxygen O, fluorine F, sodium Na, magnesium Mg, aluminium Al, silicon Si, phosphorus P, sulfur S, chlorine Cl. Next is write calcium, then many more symbols are there, so I will write iron, then cadmium, then neon, then argon, then krypton, xenon, and then radon, lead, lead, and then lead, then gold, platinum. Clear? Now write calcium, symbol is Ca, iron Fe, cadmium Cd, neon Ne, iron Ar, krypton Kr, xenon Xe, radon Rn, then lead Pb, lead is Pb, then gold Au, and platinum Pt. So these are the symbols and elements. Clear? So in Mendeleev periodic table you can find there are around 106 elements. Their symbols are written. Okay? So go through it, you will get the symbols. Now I'm just going to tell you how to write the compounds and their formulae. Compound means when two elements at least join together, a compound is formed. So let us know about it. So for example, water is there, water, then hydrochloric acid, then nitric acid, then sulfuric acid, then your oxalic acid, then calcium carbonate, and then copper sulfate, then magnesium sulfate, and then silver nitrate, and then sodium chloride, then sodium nitrate, and then potassium sulfate, and then barium chloride. First write barium chloride. So dear children, you have to write the formulae for these compounds. Okay? Write water, symbol is H, 2 will be written here O, H2O. Clear? Then hydrochloric acid, it is HCl. Then nitric acid, HNO3. Sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Oxalic acid, COOH, single bond, COOH. Calcium carbonate is CaCO3. Clear? Next is your copper sulfate. What is the formula for copper sulfate? CuSO4. Then magnesium sulfate, MgSO4. Silver nitrate, AgNO3. Sodium chloride, NaCl. Sodium nitrate, NaNO3. Potassium sulfate, K2SO4. Then barium chloride, BaCl2. So these are the formulae for these compounds. Clear? Now I'm writing more. You have to write it. Write it. Once again I am repeating. Water H2O, hydrochloric acid HCl, nitric acid HNO3, sulfuric acid H2SO4, oxalic acid COOH, single bond COOH, calcium carbonate CaCO3, then copper sulfate CuSO4, magnesium sulfate MgSO4, silver nitrate AgNO3, sodium chloride NaCl, then sodium nitrate NaNO3, potassium sulfate K2SO4, and barium chloride BaCl2. So these are the formulae for different compounds. Clear? Now I'm writing more. You have to write the formulae. Should I rub it? Okay. So, dear children, if you like it, okay, then watch the video, like it, comment it, okay, subscribe it and share it. My WhatsApp number is this 945227537 okay, and for your queries you can write the question. I will give you the answer. Clear? Now I'm writing more for your practice. Do it. Right? So, quick line. Then calcium hydroxide. Then sodium hydroxide, then sodium carbonate, carbon dioxide, then next is zinc chloride, then sodium bicarbonate, NaTe, sodium bicarbonate, acetic acid, then benzene. benzene, ethyl alcohol, then acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. So these are the names you have to write their symbol. Clear? Okay, children. So write quick line. It is CaO. Okay. Calcium hydroxide. What is the symbol? CaOH whole twice. Clear? Now sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Clear? Sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. Then carbon dioxide, CO. So these are the symbols for this. Now zinc chloride. This will be ZnCl2. Sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3. Acetic acid, CS3COOH. Then benzene. Benzene actual, this is H6C6 or symbolic form this. Okay. So this is the formula for this. Here is it is CH, 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 HC, HC. 6 carbon atoms are attached in closed form. Okay. Now ethyl alcohol, it will be C2H5OH. Clear? And acetaldehyde, this ethyl alcohol, the formula is C2H5OH. So when alcohol is there, OH group will be there. Now acetaldehyde, when acetaldehyde is there, the formula is CS3CHO. CHO is your aldehyde group. Okay. So now next, I'm just going to tell you about general formula of alkane, alkene, alkyne. So general formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2. Clear? Then alkene. Alkene is CnH2n. Then alkyne. Alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. So these are the different formula for alkane, alkene and alkyne. Suppose you have to write the members of alkane. So what will you do? You will write the value of n equal to 1. Then first member will be C1H4. Its first element member will be CH4. Now put 2. So it will be C2H6. Now what is the difference between 2? Minus it, you will get CH2. Similarly write the third element. So this will be C3H8. Then fourth element will be C4H10. Okay, you can see again difference is CH2. Again difference is CH2. So this is known as homologous series. Homologous series. Okay, a homologous series is a series in which the difference between two nearest member is CH2. They can be represented by a general formula. For alkane series, the general formula is CnH2n plus 2. For alkene, the general formula is CnH2n, and for alkyne, CnH2n minus 2. Okay, children? Okay. Now do it. So this is the alkane series. Now alkene, you just put. Should I rub it? Okay. So children, if you like it, please must watch the video, like it, okay, comment on it, subscribe it, and share it. Okay, so this is all about the organic chemistry. In next lecture, I will tell you in details about how you will prepare various organic compounds. Okay, thank you, children. Have a very nice day. Close it.